Welcome to DocSend's Perfect Pitch video series, where we put our research and data to work to help you fundraise. I'm Justin Itzo and I run research here at DocSend. Today's video is on product readiness at the pre-seed and seed stages. Our data comes from DocSend's 2021 fundraising research survey. Let's dive in. And our data covers successful and unsuccessful companies. So it really shows you what the table stakes are for fundraising at these early stages today. Now, at the pre-seed stage, we find that a small minority of companies either get out there and raise a round with no product at all or with a fully launched product. But about 70% of companies are raising with either an alpha or a beta level product. So they've got a product, in some stage of readiness, and they're out there testing it to gain traction and product feedback. At the seed stage, the data distributes differently. We're still seeing a small minority of companies out there with no product at all, but a majority of companies have a fully launched product, and that's at the seed stage. So what are some actionable tips here? First, the data shows that we've moved beyond the minimum viable PowerPoint. To even get out there and be considered fundable by investors, you're going to want a product at least in that early alpha or beta phase. Second, develop, launch, and test your product with an eye toward the business as a whole. Think about what product development might mean for showing traction or for testing your business model that you have to communicate to investors in a pitch deck. Third, at the pre-seed stage, focus on getting your product into testing early and think about what kinds of traction you might want to show for your deck. Finally, at the seed stage, aim for a fully launched product before beginning a fundraise. We're seeing almost 60% of companies who are out there raising a seed round with a fully launched product. To dive deeper into the data, visit DocSend.com/perfectpitch.